I would like to talk to you about one of the most innovative activities in our service portfolio for clients who operate and manage photovoltaic plants with solar tracking technology. I'm talking about Revamping projects. And at Suntrack Services, we guide our clients through the entire process of replacement of the existing tracking control system with the latest technology to optimize the performance of their solar sites. Well, there can be different issues or situations when it is recommended to consider a revamping. Recurring operational problems, communications, batteries, blocking, etc. Lack of support and/or lack of spare parts from the original manufacturer. Outdated systems that do not support optimization algorithms such as 3D backtracking or automatic operation under diffuse radiation conditions overcast, nor do they allow the implementation of protection systems against severe weather events, hail, wind, etc. In the past year alone, we have completed over 15 projects of this type in different countries with a total installed capacity of nearly 600 megawatts. Most of these solar plants are in operation, so the project execution must be developed under a detailed delivery and work plan, closely coordinated with the client. We approach these projects in a comprehensive manner, starting with the selection of the most suitable type of control for the particular plant, followed by the design of the scope and configuration of the system, sizing, location, sensor, etc., and ending with the parameterization and commissioning on site by our technicians. Once commissioning is finished, we start implementing the optimization algorithms, and the after-sales service begins with other services such as support contracts or remote monitoring with our real-time monitoring platform, the most advanced on the market and designed specifically for Suntrack equipment. We are committed to continuous improvement and close support to our customers. That is why we continue to strengthen our structure in the service centers located in Spain, United States, Brazil, Mexico, Chile, and China. My name is César Aguirre, and everything you need to improve the performance of your solar plant, training, technical support, audits and performance analysis, spare parts, etc., you have it in Suntrack Services.